Hi, my name is Brian, and I live in Shawnigan Lake, British Columbia. I've been testing this MasterChef pellet grill for Canadian Tire for the past week, and I have to say it's pretty impressive for such an inexpensive pellet grill. I've cooked everything on it from hamburger, steak, chicken, pork chops, and today I'm doing a pork shoulder, and low and slow at about 225 degrees. It's going to take about 8 or 9 hours, and it's going to make some really delicious pulled pork. I'll give you a little view here of what it's looking like. That's after about 3 or 4 hours. Still quite a ways to go, but you can see all the smoke it's producing at this low temperature, which is pretty amazing. And I have to say that everything on this grill is pretty well built. The only thing I would change on it is maybe adding a temperature probe, so we don't have to keep opening up the lid, check the temperature. Yeah, everything I'd have to say is pretty amazing for such an inexpensive grill, and sure makes the food tasty.